Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to delete a document on the Pages application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should click on the browse icon down below, which is the second option, and then tap on my iPhone. Here you should select a document that you want to get rid of. Hold your finger on the relevant one and tap on the delete button, which is the fourth option. As you can see, it has been deleted. So if you go back to this home page, you can tap on the recently deleted section, and here you are going to see it or find it at this section. So if you tap on it, you can recover it by tapping on the recover button. If you go back, you are going to see it back at this section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.